This video is sponsored by Homari. If you're not familiar with them, they're a company that sells interesting looking furniture, and if your living room is as simple as this, you can go ahead and ump it up with some unique furniture. Check out this table that I got from Homari. Now this here is a coffee table, two-piece, that has a very unique design. In fact, it was quite simple to build, but definitely really makes it look aesthetically appealing. Also on top of that, they sent us these chairs. These are a really cool looking modern twist on your traditional chairs, and it almost feels like you're essentially petting a puppy at the same time. Now they sell a lot of different things, including things for like your wife, such as a vanity set, which we also got, and I have to say that was probably one of the best anniversary gifts I gave yet. Now they currently have their own promotion going on right now, so be sure to go check out their link down below in the description, and be sure to use my promo code to give yourself an extra bonus. Now with that said, back to the episode. Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we're looking at not one, but three brand new bikes called Woom bikes. If you're not familiar with the brand, they make a variety of different bikes for children as well as toddlers, learning how to go ahead and bike and essentially giving you an adult-sized bike at a pint-sized scale. Now they sent us both the 3 as well as the 4 model for all 3 of my children, in which today we'll be unboxing and trying out and seeing exactly how does it perform. So if you guys wanted your very own, be sure to check out their link down below in the description. And just so you guys know, they have a variety of different kinds based on your liking in terms of size as well as your capability. They have some that you can go ahead and balance on, some with pedals, even some for off-roading, which is pretty cool. Now with that said, if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description, and together we'll be unboxing these, trying them out, and seeing exactly how they perform. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so these are all 3 bikes that they sent us. We're just gonna go ahead and hop onto the Woom 4, as that's for my oldest son, and let's see what exactly is inside. All right, so this is what it looks like inside the packaging. So it is wrapped quite well. You have a box, some accessories included, and then of course you have your little user manual as well as additional accessories that we also opted in for, which they all include inside the bike. So inside this packaging here, you'll see your user manual as well as some tools to go ahead and build it, as well as your pedals, and it looks like a reflector as well. So we also opted in for the fenders, so these are snap kits. So in other words, you can go ahead and snap them right on, which we'll be doing in just a little bit. All right, so this is everything outside of the box. Overall, seems pretty simple. Looks like the majority of it's already built. All we're gonna have to do is mount on the handlebar and mount on the front wheel, and of course the fender. Other than that, you do have your user manual here, kind of explaining how to go ahead and do that step by step in case if you've never actually built a bike before. Honestly, it is quite simple in that aspect goes, so literally just shows you step by step. First the handle, in this case here, find the right positioning, and then from there, just go ahead and adjust it as needed, and then mount on the front wheel, followed by the pedals. And other than that, you're all set. Let's go ahead and build ourselves a bike. All right, so check it out. So this is the bike complete. Overall, pretty simple build. The fenders were a little bit difficult, but once you get the hang of it, they're not too complicated. Now, I have to say the quality of it is really, really nice. I love the handlebars on this thing. There's actually a lot of details from the 7 gearbox, as well as the little, almost like mountain bike style feel to it. It does have all the bells and whistles you would want out of a big side bike, and this being the 4 is obviously based on his size. They also sent us an accessory package. Let's take a look and see what's inside there. All right, check it out. So we got some helmets. So it looks like we have ourselves a purple one for my daughter. We have a blue one for my other son, and then a red one for my oldest son. And they also gave us their stainless steel water bottles. So these are a great addition to the bikes, and it actually comes with a little mount there, which you can go ahead and mount it onto our bike. And then last but not least, we have ourselves a headlight and tail light for our specific bike here. So we can go ahead and run a light on there, especially if they're riding at night. And yeah, the quality of this looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and take a look at this once it's on the bike.
Looks good.
All right, Hamza, what do you think of your bike?
Good.
Yeah? So perfect size for him. Hamza, how old are you?
6.
He's 6 years old. And obviously he can go ahead and grow with this bike too. We can go ahead and increase the height of the seat. We got the bottle right over there as well. You got your front and rear brake, so you know that, you got that down. You can feel the difference there. And you got the 7 gear box. So in other words, over here you can go ahead and change between the gears. So right now we're gonna keep it on 2 just to see how that plays out. And yeah, you ready? All right, let's see how it works. Bike, dude. What do you think of it? You like it? What do you like about the bike the most? It goes super fast. Is it easy to use? Yeah? You got the gearbox all figured out now? Yeah, you want it too? Okay, you got it next, buddy. We're gonna build yours next. But yeah. So what do you think, Hamza? You like it? Alright, that's a keeper. All right, now with that said, if you guys have any questions about the bike, feel free to comment down below and ask this guy. Right, Hamza? Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye. And subscribe.